Hey guys, I'm Josh with Colorado Off-Road Engineering. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a full oil change on this 5th gen 4runner. This is a 2021 4runner. Let's get started. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Here's what we will need. Shop rags, 0W20 full synthetic oil, 12, 13, and 14 millimeter sockets, funnel, small breaker bar, 64 millimeter oil filter wrench. You can get these on Amazon. I will drop a link below. And an oil pan. Start by removing the whole skid plate. We have two 12 millimeter head bolts and two 13 millimeter head bolts. Now as we move further under the truck on this back skid plate, there's going to be two 12 millimeter head bolts that we need to remove. Now here is your oil drain plug. It's a 14 millimeter head. We're going to loosen that. Slide your oil pan here, slowly thread. We start draining. We're going to pop the hood and undo this cap. After this is fully drained, I'm going to wipe this down, replace this crush washer, spin this back up by hand. Then using 14 millimeter socket, we're going to snug this bolt. We're going to move up towards the front of the truck to the oil filter assembly. This is a 3/4 inch drive that we're going to insert our socket into and then loosen that up. There will be some oil in here. Now your oil filter should have come with one of these. This is used to drain out the filter. So we're going to push it up using both hands till it starts to drain. Now once that's done draining, we can remove this and take our 64 millimeter oil filter wrench. I have a 3/4 inch breaker bar here. We're going to put this properly onto the filter and break it off. We can remove that old O-ring. There's also an O-ring around the body of this. Remove that. Take the filter off. Take a couple rags and clean this up. Take our new filter, slide the paper filter on. Get a little bit of oil on my finger just to grease them up. Small one in this groove down below, and the large one over the body. Make sure there's no dirt or grime up in here. And we're going to thread the filter assembly back on. Make sure that that O-ring stayed before putting on this cap. Add 6.6 quarts of 0W20 oil. Got back on, start up the truck for a few seconds, and then check the oil level. Alright guys, well that's a wrap. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on what maintenance item you'd like me to do in less than 2 minutes. See you guys next time.